Building something great takes time. It takes quality. It takes consistency. Since 1890, Marshalltown has stood for more than just tools. We've built a legacy of quality trusted by generations worldwide. Every tool is over a century of craftsmanship, precision, and performance you can trust. UK tradespeople have chosen our tools for the last 100 years. Now that legacy is expanding in the UK. Marshalltown, Avalanche, Bullet, Barwalt, Wallboard Tools, Vaughan, and Dasco Pro, all in one place. Walls, floors, roads, or roofs, whatever you build it to last. Marshalltown, home of the iconic American-made tool brands.